Okay, I can pick a couple. I'll pick a couple for you.
I actually picked two. I
Oh,
picked
great.
one.
Oh, great. Good job.
You want to try, Mom? You want to try California with me?
Sure.
It looks really disgusting. It's really good, dude.
All right, ready?
Hold on. I need to break my chopsticks.
Tempura. Should I try some tempura? What do you guys think?
Yeah. Okay.
I already just got shrimp tempura.
Oh.
Oh well.
Mom, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it. Ew. Whoa, it's
Ginger?
disgusting.
Thank you.
Is that mine?
Okay.
Is
Yep.
this mine?
Yep.
Mmm.
Want me to do it for you, Dean?
Ew. That's disgusting. It's good. So dirty.
This is something with only hot Cheetos. All right, ready? I don't know what some of these rules are.
I'm gonna try this one.
Your turn to say.
Ew.
It's delicious. Oh. I need to.
Mommy, get that.
No, that's dessert.
That's dessert, honey.
Dessert will still come. Your chicken teriyaki coming. Dean, do you think it's going to come by the robot or come by the train?
Ooh, that's hard.
Do you want a fruit?
Train.
Do you want
No,
a train?
no.
It's gonna be a train.
All right, that's Daddy's, I bet.
Gate 31. The meal has arrived. Please take the meal in time.
Who's done?
Thank you.
That means it's from the train.
All right, those my shrimp shumai.
Salmon avocado.